Hey guys, so just want to do a quick video today on feeding some frozen food to my reef tank downstairs. We're going to take a look at the tank in just a second, but first, just want to go over what foods I have here. I do have some Hikari Mega Marine. Now this is frozen krill. I also have PE Mysis. This is a very good brand. This is Mysis shrimp. And I also have LRS Reef Frenzy Nano. This is really fresh seafood. I mean, you can smell this stuff. You can tell that it's good quality. I also have Brightwell Aquatics Vitamin C. We're gonna put a little bit of this on the food. And also Seed Chem Garlic Guard. Now this stuff's good for keeping parasites away and keeping the fish's immune systems nice and healthy so that they can fight off any parasites and diseases. Alright, gonna start with a little piece of the Reef Frenzy Nano. I have a nice little piece poking out right here. And I'm just gonna do one piece of PE Mysis and one piece of Mega Marine. Now this is pretty heavy for my 60-gallon reef. I don't have too many fish, but I only feed them every 2 or 3 days, so this should be just fine. Now I'm going to put a couple drops of the vitamin C on there, and a couple drops of the garlic guard. This is garlic concentrate. This is pretty strong stuff. Now it's always best to let this sit without soaking it in water first. This way all the vitamins and garlic can soak into the frozen food and it can be most effective. I'm going to let this sit like this for 5 minutes, so let's take a look at the reef tank downstairs. Alright, here's my 60-gallon reef tank. I still haven't put the background on there yet. That's one thing I still need to do. We start with opening this canopy up. I do have my automatic feeder right there. My frozen food in the water. Let that soak for another 10 minutes. Alright, now our food is thawed. First I want to throw a little from the top. Let the fish fight over that, and then I'm going to start feeding all my coral. It's always better to do this because this way the fish have a chance to eat food first and they're not eating it out of the coral's mouths. I also turn all my pumps off. This way the flow is nice and low and the coral can catch some food. Alright, let's throw some food on this acan coral.